All right, Dave Martelli here again. I know I've been kind of absent discussing the workstation, but I really wanted to bring it home. The workstation's not just for your avid gun lover or your avid equine lover. Anybody that's watching this that has a house, nobody on planet Earth makes a table like this other than the Martelli company. We've actually patented it, and there's too many features on here that I'd have to go through explain why it's patented. But the engineering behind this is just absolutely ingenious. Everything we do, it's electronic. It has 14 inches of lift. Now, think about this. You're at home at Thanksgiving time or any other time where you have family and friends over. You can actually put the table whatever height that you want. You simply plug it in to the wall. It's a 110. It just plugs right in. Now, when you get this, everything's already assembled for you. There's nothing put together. Basically, the bottom line is it comes in 3 boxes. The tabletop comes in 1 box, and each side plate comes in its own box, but they're all assembled. So when you get it, the instruction manual to assemble your workstation, it's only 1 page. Basically, I'm going to paraphrase this. If there's a hole, you put a screw in it. All the holes are already pre-drilled. Remember, these are all custom made. They're assembled, they're checked, then they're disassembled, then they're put in their boxes, and then they're shipped to you. Now, one of the last things that I wanted to show you with the workstation. Again, any house in America would love this table because there's so much that you can do with it. Remember in one of the earlier episodes we were talking about our carving table? How cool would this be? You actually have your cutting board, right? Now you have your no slip roundabout. So now actually you can actually turn and cut. Whether you're trying to get to an end piece, you don't have to fight and reposition. Just move. All you do is have to move the cutting board to whatever position, whether you're trying to get little bits off the side or whether you're going from one end to the other. So I just thought this would be a great feature to share with you on your workstation. Another feature that I would love to share with you, and again, these are all accessories that come with your workstation. A lot of times, we talked about avid gun lovers and cleaning your guns or, cleaning whatever animal it is that you're cleaning that you've killed for meat or whatnot. And it can get difficult, to see, or you need a close-up and you need that extra little bit of light. We have our these are actually LED lights. So if I could kind of get an opportunity to show you, I would love to show you how the light works. So I'm going to have the lights cut, and I'm going to turn this on. So whether you're working on a gun or whatever the case may be, you can see how much light that light gets off. So if you're trying to work on your guns and you need to get in those little small places and you can't quite see, this gives you a great close-up on how much light these LED lights put out. But it's a great feature, and it attaches right to the side of your workstation. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this light off and turn the other light on, and it just kind of gives you an idea again of some of the products that we make and some of the things that we do to make you, the consumer, and your life much easier in whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's carving a turkey, whether you're cleaning your guns, whether you're doing a project with your son or your daughter, whether you're doing woodworking in your woodworking shop, whether you're a mechanic. Each actuator that we have on each leg is 350 pounds. So this table will hold 700 pounds. There's not a whole lot of things that this workstation cannot do. The only thing that's going to hold you back is size, and size will be determined by whatever you tell us. Our standard size again are 29 by 47. That's our premier table. We have our Advantage table, which is this table right here, and then we have an Elite table, which is 1 size bigger. So I'm just going to kind of give you a sneak brief look into what we have coming in the near future. For you avid fishermen, kind of like the gun tote that we have, we're going to be making a pole tote. For you avid fishermen that have big boats that like to do big game fishing, and you have these big rod and reels, and you go get these big wheelbarrows to bring they get beat to death, and you spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on these expensive rod and reels, upwards of thousands. The rod and reel tote is going to be next on the agenda to bring to you, where you can take up to 6 huge rod and reels to your boat, and it has a handle. Same way we have the gun tote. That's going to be a sneak peek that we have coming in the near future too. And then we have some cool other products. I want to leave a few things for a surprise, so that way when you see them, you get a little bit more excited about it. But until until the next time, looking forward to seeing everybody. Check us out. Check us out online. Check us out on YouTube, whether it's our www.martellisportsman.com website or whether it's our Martelli Sportsman YouTube channel.